guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a giant haul of stuff. This little pouch basket right here is just full of some goodies. I believe I have Hine in here, Drugstore, stuff from probably Target, Walmart, Ulta, CVS, Walgreens, you name it, it's probably in here. Collective haul. It's been accumulating in this little basket right here, so I definitely wanted to share some stuff with y'all. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So right here on top, this is actually face mask variety pack from Walmart. This is the Lala Fox brand that makes my, well, one of my favorite foundations that I can't find anymore, so thanks, because Walmart doesn't sell it. This is on clearance for $6, and it has 8 masks and a bonus mask, so 9 masks total. I don't know what kind it has. I know it has pearl, charcoal, and I want to say like 2 different ones or something like that, but I like sheet mask. I don't know if they do anything for you, but they are kind of nice and relaxing, so I wanted to get these. Next, I have the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette, and I actually bought this when it was being sold at Ulta, but she's not being sold there anymore, so she's only being sold at Sephora, which is kind of crappy because I don't really go to Sephora that often. But I was really excited to get this palette. I feel like it's a really nice, easy, neutral palette. You have really nice neutral shades, neutral shimmers. You do have a blue and a purple, but it's nothing extreme, nothing that's going to frighten anybody. So I feel like it was a nice kind of staple palette to have in my collection. Next, I have 2 of the Smashbox, what are these called? So Chill Coconut and Centering Citrus Photo Finish Primer Waters. I got both of these bad boys. Ulta still had them. I don't know why and or how, but they did. So I got, like I said, the coconut one and the citrus one. I do like these. I use MAC Fix Plus for my shadows, but I do like these as primer sprays. Kind of really nice and refreshing, rejuvenating spray. And like I said, you put it in the fridge, maybe take it to you at the beach. It would just feel really nice on your face. Next I have right here is actually a body scrub, and this smells so good. They still have it at Ulta. I saw it recently. This is the Tree Hut Lemon Blueberry Tart Shea Sugar Scrub. It was limited edition. Like I said, I've still seen it in my Ulta. But this literally smells like heaven. I want it, like, I swear it smells like birthday cake or something. I don't know if, yes. Oh my gosh. And it kind of smells toasted almost, but it is absolutely magical. I would definitely run out. Smell if they have one open. Buy it. I love these sugar scrubs like this. It's nice for maybe just exfoliating your legs or your feet or your arms, or even before you self-tan. These are really nice to have. Next right here I have the Flower Beauty sponge, and this is a sponge that's been talked about for a while. I feel like it's a pretty good sponge, pretty soft. I've heard really good reviews about it, so I wanted to get one for myself, and I did get this from Walmart. That's the only place I know you can buy Flower Beauty besides one Ulta in my town. So I'm kind of assuming more Ultas are going to start carrying it, because I've noticed Ulta has started getting rid of Physicians Formula, so, which kind of sucks, but maybe they're going to put a new brand. Maybe they'll put more Flower Beauty stuff around, but this is where I did get mine, was from Walmart, but like I said, check your Ulta because some do have them. Next thing I did get is the Smashbox and Velada, I believe is what it's called, Petal Metal Highlighter in the shade Gilded Rose. My Ulta still had some of these on an end cap, so I don't know what was going on. I bought this, I can't really remember, but I saw this on Instagram and I knew I wanted it. Like, look at the packaging. Absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. The highlighter itself is stunning. Look at that, and it literally looks exactly like a rose. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So check your Ulta if you can find one, or even if anybody's, you know, maybe reselling it, it's never been used. I would look and see, because this is actually a really, really beautiful color, and the packaging is stunning. Next, I have the Makeup Revolution Soph X Highlighter Palette, and this is very, very talked about and raved. This is kind of hard to find. My Ulta was out of stock of it for a really long time, which I was worried they weren't going to get it back in stock, but they ended up getting back in stock, so I snagged it as fast as I could. Even though I don't need any more highlighters, because my highlighter drawer is full to the brim. I decluttered not that long ago, and we're still full here. But this is kind of like a cult classic highlighter palette. I feel like a lot of YouTubers talked about this for a while, and it's really pretty for the colors it has. It's, you know, got some golds, champagnes, whites, purples, pinks, bronzies. Like, it's got a lot of really pretty highlighter shades in here. Next thing I have right here is my Batiste Rose Gold Dry Shampoo. Batiste is my favorite brand, but the Rose Gold specifically right now is my favorite smell and all in all, my favorite one to use. I just really enjoy the smell of this one, and I love the packaging. I love how it's like this pink kind of like foiled bottle. It's beautiful, smells amazing. I think I have 2 or 3 bottles of these, but it's my favorite one. Next I have, this is actually from Trader Joe's. This is the Trader Joe's Nourish Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum, suitable for all skin types. It says apply a small amount to entire face twice daily after washing, follow with moisturizer. I don't know, every time I go to Trader Joe's I kind of like just look over their skincare section. I've only bought one thing, and it was the rose water spray, and then I realized my skin hates rose, so I got rid of that. But I wanted to try this just because it is basically a straight hyaluronic serum. It literally only has water, something that starts with a P, sodium hyaluronate. Literally that's it. I wanted to try it. Plus it's Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is known to be good and have really clean and kind of like really good products, so I wanted to try that out. And then I did get some of the Catrice Prime and Fine Makeup Transforming Drops. These are the darker ones. I have been self-tanning. I sometimes need to alter my foundation shades a little bit, maybe make them a little darker, or I'll just really bronze my skin. But I wanted to have some drops like this just in case, because you never know when something's just a little bit too light for you. Then I also got with that sponge the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, the Weightless Feel Increase Proof Concealer. So this has been basically all the rage. I didn't buy the foundation just because I knew the foundation was going to be pretty like dewy natural finish, which I can't do on my skin really because I get oily. So I wanted to at least try the concealer, see what the hype was about, see what the coverage was about. That seems to be like the big thing with it. So I did get in the shade L34 Light. Another concealer I did pick up, which this was actually in the Ulta store, because Ulta started carrying ColourPop and their concealer line and some of their lipsticks and just a little bit here and there of the brand. So I did pick up another concealer. I have it in the shade, I think this is Light 16. So I did pick another one of these up. This is another concealer I love just probably as much as the Makeup Revolution one. I may like the Makeup Revolution one just a little bit more, but both are really good affordable concealers. Now I have another concealer. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. I haven't seen this anywhere, and I bought this at CVS. This is the only place I've ever seen it at. I've never even seen it advertised. I have it in the shade 120 Vanilla, but apparently this is a matte concealer, so we're gonna see what the hype is about it. I'm pretty curious because, like I keep saying, I do get oily, so matte sometimes is what works best for me, so I definitely wanted to try this out. Then I have a foundation in here. This is the BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. I have this one in the shade 209 Ivory Beige. Naturally flawless foundation. It has hyaluronic acid to keep skin hydrated. Lightweight formula imparts a natural looking satin finish and provides medium to full coverage. So I'm okay with satin finish just because I normally go in with like a loose powder or like a mattifying powder, something like that, so that doesn't bother me. I'm not a huge like full coverage person though. I'm just like throwing stuff around on the floor. I'm not a huge full coverage person though, so we'll have to see. I normally like something like this that's a little bit more like medium coverage. And then lastly, I have 3 lip products and a blush. This blush right here is actually from CVS. It's the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush. This is one Kathleen Lights raves about literally all the time, so I finally saw it at CVS, remembered, and picked it up. So very excited about this, and it seems to be kind of like a nudie peach shade. Then I have 3 lip choices right here. This one is from Tarte. This is actually my birthday lip paint from them, and it is in the shade Pillow Talk. So I really liked this shade. I think it's kind of pretty. It's definitely a little bit different for me because it is so light, but it's something I wanted to try. But my applicator on this thing is kind of messed up a little bit. So that was the birthday gift for April. And then I have this NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer. So I thought this was kind of cool as well. Lip lacquers, are a little bit thicker than glosses, so they are more opaque in a sense. Something that has a little bit more color underneath it, but you don't want to wear lipstick. You still want to have that glossy feel. I feel like this would be the way to go because these are definitely way more opaque. It kind of goes on like with liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Desiccant. I don't know how to say that, but I'm going to show you all the swatches. And then I also have the L'Oreal Havana with Camellia Cabello Lip Dew. This is in the shade, I have absolutely no idea, but it is the darker shade that they did release. I'm still seeing these like set up in places. Some Ultas and like some HEBs around me still have them. So if you're able to see them, I would definitely pick some of these up because the glosses are nice. But this is what we have right here. This is the Tarte one. This right here is the NYX Lip Dew, and then this is the L'Oreal one. So that is basically everything for this giant collective haul. I will link everything down below just in case you are interested in anything. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.